guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very different video for y'all. I'm going to be showing y'all how I clean my beauty room. This is where I film all my Instagram videos and YouTube videos. As you can see, I definitely have let it go for a while. It is quite the mess, so I wanted to do this video for a while. I just hadn't gotten to it, but here is how it looks before. Mess everywhere, things all over the place, just it's not organized. So I'm gonna go ahead and just let y'all see my mess, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so first things first, I turn on my iPad and I put Netflix. I was watching Sister Sister. I'm totally obsessed with that show all over again. So this is the part that I hate about cleaning this room. So I feel like I just move things around and I'm not getting anything done, but I promise it's a process, and it looks a little just time consuming, but it works. I put all my eyeshadow brushes in one, and then I put all my face brushes in one so that they're separate and I know which ones I have and how many I have out right now. So then I pick out all my eyeliners and lip liners and I put them in that little cup just so I can put them aside. So basically what I'm doing here is just sorting everything out. I'm gonna grab also all my eyeshadow palettes so that I can have them in one spot, and basically, like I said, this is just sorting, and I hate this because this is what takes me the longest, but I need to clean this desk first. Okay, so now I'm going to show y'all inside the drawers. The drawers are so messed up. They have so many things that don't belong. So first of all, I took all my beauty blenders and I put them in this makeup eraser little beauty blender cleaning cage. And that I toss in the washing machine and it cleans them for me. Then I'm going to clean out the little trays. I have a tray for my powders, some for my mascara, and another tray for my primers. And then the long tray, I put just random stuff in there. But today I put all my eyebrow products and my eyelash curlers in there. Okay, now that I have everything sorted, I go ahead and take the things and I put them where they belong. I have these little bins in the bottom that help me stay organized, and I know what I have, so I can easily just pull them out when I'm filming. I picked up this curling iron from the floor that I used the other day and I put it with my other hot tools. And then on those little bins, I have one for foundations and concealers, one for highlighters, one for blushes, and one for bronzers. So like I said, this helps me stay organized. And then I put all my eyeliners and lip liners where they belong. This is pretty easy and like super fast because I already know where everything belongs. Now I'm going to take some Lysol and I'm going to spray down my desk. It looks disgusting. I have tons of foundation everywhere. You can see the powder. And all I'm going to do is clean it. So my desk has this metal sheet that I bought from Home Depot. I use this as a reflector. I always leave it on my desk because it helps me get more light. And I'm going to pick it up so I can clean the bottom of the desk as well. Oh my god, you can see how dirty the desk was from the wipe that I left there. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this and leave it spotless, so I can get ready to make it dirty again when I film. Okay, so I think this was my favorite part of cleaning today. This whole box was a giveaway prize that I won in a Makeup by Molly meet and greet. So yeah, so this was my prize. I got tons of new products, so I have so many things that I am planning to film. I'm super excited, but yeah, I think this is my favorite part of cleaning today because I got to see everything. I wanted to move it from the cardboard box to a plastic bin. That way it's just easier for me to move around. But yeah, like this prize was amazing. It was a huge blessing. I was super excited just to do the virtual meet and greet with Makeup by Molly, but I won this prize and now I have tons of stuff. I'm going to put some of this in a giveaway and some of the things I'm going to be using for videos. Look at that. That's so beautiful. But yeah, I think this was my favorite part today. Just getting to see all the new makeup. Okay, and then one of the last organization things I had to do today was I needed to empty out these little bins from this advent calendar that I got from Look Fantastic. They sent it to me and it was amazing. I filmed a video showing y'all some of the things that were in there, but what I wanted to do was pull out everything so I can see what was in the advent calendar. So I just started pulling all the products from there. It had some mascara from Anastasia. It had some skincare that is I don't know what those are called. Those are like you put over your eyes when you're gonna go to sleep. It had body washes. It had a Natasha Denona highlighter blush, and that's a lip liner. It had tons of things. Honestly, this box is amazing. I do know that it is a limited time thing, so I don't know if it's still available, but if you can get this box, honestly it is worth the money and it's super good. It has a lot of high-end skincare. Yeah, I really loved it. It also had a Luxie Beauty brush. It had vitamin C oils. It had tons of stuff. I think it's called Sleek primer. It had a lot of things. I really liked it. So I just wanted to empty it out because I didn't want to just have it there and not like utilize the products, because I can put some of it in a giveaway. But then I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a little beauty bag. That way I know that these came from the advent calendar, so I can show you on my Instagram. I think I have a link to this in my bio if you're interested in getting it. But yeah, it's amazing. Okay, so the last step I always do when I'm cleaning my room is I pull out my Young Living lantern diffuser and I set it up. I put some water. I usually use the bottled water. And the essential oils that I like to put to make the room smell nice and clean and fresh is some lemon, and then these are the orange drops. I like to put tons of it because I really love the way the orange one smells. I go ahead and set it up and I turn it on, and that gives the room such a clean, fresh feeling. And the one thing I really love about this lamp is that you can change the colors just to like make the room look super pretty. So this is how the room ended up. This is my drawer, and everything is nice and neat in its place. I really love doing this. I do this once in a while so that I can feel like the room is nice and clean and I'm ready to film. This is the shelves at the very top. I have all my lipsticks on here. Some Kenia Ontiveros Beauty. Some more palettes that I really love. This is all the palettes that I have also on the bottom. Thank you so much for watching my video. I can't wait for y'all to see what more videos I have. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part of cleaning my room? Bye!